This is episode 13, and today I'm going to show you cool features on Google Sheets. Before I go into data and charts, I'm going to go into the cool features that you can use in Google Sheets as opposed to other spreadsheet programs. So the first is the ability to comment. So to do this, you simply press the comment icon on the top right corner right next to the share icon, and you simply press on it and then press add comment, which is to the right of notification, and you can add a comment, so maybe rectify. So now I have comment, but if I would like to edit this comment so I direct it to a particular person, I go to these three little dots, and what you can do with these dots is you can edit it or delete it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to edit, and I'm going to press add, and then I can add, a random person. And if I were to actually save it, it would direct it to this person's email. So now I can cancel. So if you're collaborating per se, if someone has directed a comment at you and you want to show that you've solved the comment and dealt with it, you simply press resolve and it hides the comment. To look at the comment history, you can press on the comment icon again, and you can see all the history. So I wrote this, marked as resolved, and you can even add a comment to that discussion. And if I wanted to reopen it and I decided that I should not have deleted that, you simply press reopen and it opens really everything, all the actions that you've taken. And when you click off to show that there's a comment, there's this little yellow corner on the top right corner. So I am simply going to delete the comment thread, and I'm going to show you another feature. So if you'd like an individual note that not everybody who's shared or collaborating on this particular spreadsheet, you can simply add an individual note. To actually add this note, you go to insert and then note, and you can simply type a random note. So change data based on recent research. So anyways, now, instead of that yellow icon, there's now this black corner. Another feature is sharing. So you can do this by pressing the share button, which is, as I mentioned before, next to the comment icon. So you can change this so that you have the sharing preferences that you'd like. So you can search people. So for example, johnsmith@gmail.com. And you can share it with him. You can even add a note, because this will actually compose it as an email. It won't be like a text or anything. You can add as many people as you want just by adding in more people. You can actually share through a link if you don't want to keep adding people, and it copies it to the clipboard for you. And there are a lot of different things that you can do. So with regards to link sharing, you can either have it public on the web, so anyone on the internet who can find the link can access it, or you can make it so that it's anyone with the link, or you can just have it with specific people. To continue learning about Google Sheets, make sure to check out the other episodes on Google Sheets, and if you're all caught up, make sure to check out the videos every Wednesdays and Fridays. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.